Hey, this is Captain Keith with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial walkthrough on the Boston Whalers 17 Montauk. Starting up here at the bow, we've got two real nice size storage lockers. So your anchor or any other kind of gear you'd like to put in there. Same thing here. It comes back nice and long. You use it as a fish box, throw your mask fins, snorkels, whatever you like in there. You've got a cooler. Nice stainless steel bimini top. This boat actually comes with the Marine Axiom system. You've got the chart plotter, you've got your regular gauges, and then all your switching, your horn, nav lights, bilge pumps, etc. Fusion stereo. Reversible backrest on this bench seat, so you can use it as a leaning post if you like. We come back this way. Pulls out, and you got a nice large live well, all blue interior in there. There's lighting in there as well. As we work on back, and we've got the Mercury 90 and nice swim platform and ladder right there. So great little boat, 17 Montauk, Boston Whaler. Thank you.